Please subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive updates on new videos.
Om. All of you please repeat. Asato ma sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityorma amrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Our most honorable chief guest for this celebration, Excellency, the Governor of Telangana and Andhra, Sri S. L. Narasimhan Garu, all the devotees assembled here, we know the significance of today's celebration. I did not repeat it again. So about this Swami Vivekananda, who is this Swami Vivekananda? Swami Vivekananda, a man with a mission. He came with a mission. Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna brought him from Saptarishi Mandala. Seven sages sitting in deep meditation, absorbed in the divine bliss. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna travels all the way and brings one of those Saptarishis. Imagine, for millions of years, they were in meditation, absorbed in their own bliss, Ananda. So he had a mission, mother's work to be performed. So he brings the great sage, and he is Swami Vivekananda. And Swami Vivekananda, he came, he got a mission to be performed. So what was the mission? To establish Sanatana Dharma. He has come for that purpose. So the word we use, Sanatana Dharma. What exactly is Sanatana Dharma? The eternal entities, the God, the universe, all the jivas, the living beings, the God, universe, jivas, all the living beings. What way they are related to each other? The concept of God, the concept of the universe, the concept of the jivas, the living beings. So this is Sanatana Dharma that deals with all these three elements. So this Sanatana Dharma tells us again and again, it is that God who is manifested as the whole universe and all the jivas, living beings. What our scriptures say? Yaccha kinchit jagat sarvam drusyate shruyate piva antar bahischa tat sarvam vyapya narayana stitaha. What did it say? Yascha kinchit jagat sarvam drusyate shruyate piva. Whatever you see manifests, world you see, universe, Antarbhaichata sarvam vyapya narayana stitaha. Inside and outside, who resides? The Lord resides. So Ramadas told in a simple way, Anta Ramamayam, Jagamanta Ramamayam. Antarangamuna Atma Ramudu, Ananta Rupamuna Vintal Salupaga. This is Sanatana Dharma. Anta Ramamayam, ee Jagamanta Ramamayam. Antarangamuna Atma Ramudu, Ananta Rupamuna Vintalu Salupaga. So Swamiji came to establish this Sanatana Dharma. When Swamiji was in Chennai, Madras, he was in a devotee's house. So every night, Sri Ramakrishna will come in his dream and tell him, you must go and participate in the World Parliament of Religions, Sarvamata Mahasabha. So he must go to Chicago, participate in that. Again he is coming and telling him. Then one more thing is said. It's very important. The arrangements that are being made on the Chicago World Parliament of Religions, it's all for yourself. Imagine that. So what is going on in America? Arrangements for this World Parliament of Religions. Sri Ramakrishna is telling him it's for your sake, it's happening there. So you get ready. Swami Turiyananji, brother disciple, you see, all what arrangements are made there is for this. So Sri Ramakrishna, when Swamiji is sitting in the Marina Beach, so Swamiji is seeing that Sri Ramakrishna is appearing, standing on the waters of the ocean, beckoning him, come on, follow me, follow me. So it's all destined. Swamiji has to go to the Chicago, address the World Parliament of Religions. Here, Swamiji is not convinced. Sri Ramakrishna telling him again and again. So he wrote a letter to the Mother Sharada, Holy Mother. That time she was staying in Calcutta. So she was sitting on the bank of the Ganges. She had a wonderful vision. She saw Sri Ramakrishna is coming towards here, just brushing her. He enters the waters of the Ganges. He is standing there, get dissolved in the waters of the Ganges. From same place, Vivekananda comes out and is sprinkling water on all the people, and all of them are getting liberation, mukti. So mother immediately saw that. Then she wrote to Swami Vivekananda, my child, it is right time for you to go and participate in the World Parliament of Religions. So then, when Swamiji addressed this wonderful Sarvamata Mahasabha, so there were 7,000 audience. The elite of America was there. Swamiji stood up and addressed the audience. How did he address? See, these 5 words only address. Sisters and brothers of America. What happened then? Not like this. There was a standing ovation. Let us pay our homage to Swamiji. Yes, enough. Please sit down. Your applause only for a few seconds. They applauded for 3 minutes. A deafening applause for 3 minutes. You can imagine. They have not seen Swami Vivekananda earlier. So, how can that audience respond in that way? They stood up. All the audience, 7,000 of them, went on, deafening applause for 3 minutes, recorded. What was the power in him? So you must think, we hear so many lectures, excellent talks. We just clap 10 times, 15 times to appreciate. Not for 3 minutes. Yet to start this talk. These 5 words inspired them that much. What they have seen in him. Swamiji says, yes, this happened, a miracle. You know why it happened? The power of purity, he says. In my whole life, not a bad thought entered in my mind. The power of purity. That moved the audience. This is the power of purity. Now realize, who is this Vivekananda? He clearly says, he got a mission. What is that? In his own words he says, yes, I have a mission to be fulfilled. Says, my mission can be put in a few words. My mission in life can put in a few minutes, few words. What is that? To preach unto mankind the divinity and to show them how to manifest the divinity in every moment of their life. See what powerful he says. To preach unto mankind the divinity and to show them how to manifest the divinity in every moment of their life. The practical Vedanta, Anusthana Vedanta, he has taught us. So we should read more of Swami Vivekananda to get the inspiration. So this is the day. So we have to pay homage. Swami Vivekananda, how do we pay? So the best way to pay homage to Vivekananda is by actively participating in spreading the message of the great divine personality. So what you should do? Every one of you, take the books. Chicago addresses are there. So spread the message. Take to schools, colleges, villages, everywhere. Become a part of this celebration. So that is the best way we can pay homage to Swami Vivekananda. May Bhagavan Sri Ram Krishna bless you all. Thank you.